Today we're going to learn what a line is in geometry. So a line is represented by essentially a line, and it has an arrow at both ends, and it can continue indefinitely. And the line has one dimension, meaning it can be either just up, down, or left, right. Now, through any 2 points, there can be a line. So if we have, let's say, call this point A and call this point B, you can have a line that goes through them. Sorry, that's not a perfect line, but yeah, through any 2 points, you can have a line. And you can signify a line like this. So for instance, this one, you could say it's AB, or it could be considered BA. Okay. If you like this video, if it was helpful to you, please subscribe and like the video.